the surprising flexibility of animal body temperatures for centuries, scientists assumed that maintaining a stable internal temperature, a trait known as homeothermy, was the standard for mammals and birds. However, recent research reveals a far more complex reality. Many species exhibit remarkable flexibility in their body heat regulation, a phenomenon called heterothermy. This isn't just an oddity. It's a crucial adaptation that allows animals to survive extreme conditions, conserve energy, and even evade predators. Beyond the normal 98. 6 degrees F, the idea that all mammals operate like humans, keeping a constant 98. 6 degrees F, 37 degrees C, regardless of external heat or cold, is increasingly outdated. Scientists are discovering that many animals can deliberately lower or raise their body temperature by significant margins, sometimes by as much as 45 degrees F, 25 degrees C, in a single day. This isn't merely about adapting to seasonal changes like hibernation. It's a dynamic response to daily and even hourly environmental fluctuations. Improvements in tracking technology have been key to uncovering this weirdness. As one researcher puts it, by monitoring wild animals in real time, scientists have observed how species adjust their metabolism and body temperature in response to weather, predator threats, and food availability. The spectrum of torpor heterothermy exists on a spectrum. At one end is deep hibernation, where metabolism slows dramatically and body temperature plummets near freezing for extended periods. But many mammals employ shorter, shallower bouts of torpor, brief reductions in metabolic rate and temperature, as needed. This suggests that torpor isn't just a winter survival strategy. It's a versatile tool for dealing with a range of challenges. For example, Australian bats enter torpor more frequently during cold, rainy, or windy conditions. Flying in such weather is energetically expensive, and reducing their metabolic needs helps them conserve energy. Similarly, pregnant bats will enter torpor during unpredictable storms, effectively pausing their pregnancies until conditions improve. This flexibility allows them to give birth when food is plentiful, maximizing offspring survival. Adapting to immediate threats, heterothermy isn't limited to seasonal shifts. Sugar gliders, tiny marsupials, enter torpor during severe storms, reducing their body temperature by over 25 degrees F, 14 degrees C, to conserve energy. Even golden spiny mice have been observed entering prolonged torpor in response to flooding, a behavior never before documented. Predator avoidance is another key driver. The edible dormouse enters long periods of torpor during the spring and early summer, when owls are most active. By remaining hidden in underground burrows, they reduce their risk of becoming prey. Australian dunarts, when placed in simulated high-risk environments, also reduced their foraging and allowed their body temperature to fluctuate more, essentially hunkering down to avoid detection. Water conservation and climate change, beyond energy conservation, heterothermy plays a critical role in water management. Sweating to regulate body temperature, effective for humans, can quickly dehydrate smaller mammals in hot climates. Instead, species like Madagascar's leaf-nosed bats enter short bouts of torpor during heat waves, allowing their body temperature to rise while minimizing water loss. Raising their body temperature by just a few degrees saved ringtail possums an estimated 10 grams of water per hour, a significant amount for an animal weighing under 800 grams. While heterothermy provides a buffer against environmental variability, it's not a foolproof solution. Rapidly changing climate conditions will undoubtedly challenge even the most adaptable species. However, understanding this flexibility is crucial for conservation efforts, revealing a remarkable resilience in the natural world that was once overlooked. The discovery that many animals can strategically manipulate their body temperature underscores a fundamental truth. Nature is far more diverse and inventive than we once assumed.